These balloons are Kalisan Mirror Gold, 5 inches. Oh, why it comes out like that sometimes. I'm doing 4.5 inches. Oh. And I'm going to make another duplicate. These balloons are a couple of years old. I actually filled up my balloon wall, all the jars, in 2022. They're not cooperating with me right now. I've purchased plenty of balloons in between, but they weren't in the jars. When that happens, you want to just pull on the neck a little bit. Just get a funny shape like this. So now I'm going to connect this one with the pair. Just wrap it around 2 times and tie it. Now I'm going to make another set. This time it will be 4 inches. Do that from now so it doesn't give me a hard time. So much easier to use an inflator that sizes the balloons for you. Both of those weren't very good. Again, I'm working with old balloons. And one more. Again, I'm going to take the single balloon with the duplicate, wrap it around, and tie it. Now I'm going to connect these just by placing it in, twisting it over. This is what I have. And I'm going to do the same with this one. And now I'm going to place it on top, but you want it to go in between the bottom section, bottom balloons. You want to grab a nozzle, wrap it around, tie it, with an, I'm saying nozzle, but I mean neck. So I'm gonna grab another neck and wrap it around. And no tying that time. So you should have a nice base like this. I just put a little bit of water in there. And I'm just going to attach it to the bottom. It's so much better if you put a weight onto your balloon base. I'm going to start it off with my hand pump. Just to open up that valve. I'm going to finish it off with my hand pump. This is actually really cute. I think this one is going to go over here. Just need to glue this section down. Okay, my glue gun is ready. I probably could have let it heat up some more. A little tricky. Should put the glue on that part. So pulling. It's not working. I was able to pull a bunch of that off. Okay, now I'm going to try UGLU Dashes. We're going to see if this is going to work. And you want to rub the dashes because that activates heat, which activates the glue. Okay, I am going to stick some glue right on the latex balloons. And yeah, I know I use a lot of glue. That was a lot easier than gluing this part. Oh, my bad, it still needs a little more glue. A little more on the other side too. Just gotta have patience to let it dry. Always blow on it. I'm going to use UGLU Dashes to get the legs in. That's better. I don't know if it makes a big difference or not, but I think it looks better.